today and clouded as I pass. The winter smile today and clouded as I pass. The winter smile today and clouded as I pass. Translucent human at last, all stretched across the skies, yeah. Slivers of light glide into focus. Can you see me now? All stretched across the skies, yeah. Slivers of light glide into focus. A stolen shot raced back and forth. All forecasts lost on me. A stolen shot raced back and forth. All forecasts lost on me. It's lost on me, and everything just cleared out. Even the city's been cleaned up. I got a country in the distance. Overhead, a fine glimpse of myself, and everything just cleared out. Even the city's been cleaned up. I got a country in the distance. Overhead, a fine glimpse of myself, and everything just cleared out. Everything just cleared out. Can you see me? Ease into such a beautiful day. Nothing to keep me here, stoked. Every day, all obstacles on my path, I pushed them into the past. All obstacles on my path, I pushed them into the past. Nothing to keep me here, stoked. Every day, nothing to keep me here, stoked. Every day, all obstacles on my path, I pushed them into the past. All obstacles on my path, I pushed them into the past. For the first time in a long time. 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 Walking, flying, everything just cleared out. Even the city's been cleaned up. I got a country in the distance. Overhead, a fine glimpse of myself, and everything just cleared out. Even the city's been cleaned up. I got a country in the distance. Overhead, a fine glimpse of myself, and for the first time in a long time, heat wave found its way, stifling near the streets are sizzling under my feet. For the first time in a long time, radiance rushing through me, radiance rushing through me. Can you see me? Ease into such a beautiful day, and everything just cleared out. Everything just cleared out. Can you feel it? Change into such a beautiful day, and everything just cleared out. Everything just cleared out. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Change into such a beautiful day.